All right, that's enough. Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
All right, here we are, Animal Kingdom, day number 2. But we're not doing Flight of Passage. Oop, this is right in the middle. Here we go. All right, not doing Flight of Passage. Early entry was 7:30. We're checking out today and going to the Polynesians. We were a little late getting out of the hotel. It is 8 o'clock right now, and the park opens at 8. I don't know why you're rushing. We have nowhere to be right now.
I'm a fast walker in the parks, okay? I don't walk fast anywhere. We're coming to park,
All right.
I'm gonna walk.
I was on 2 times Zoom, so I'm gonna record this whole thing over again because you were like this. Okay, anyways. All right, we're in. I use my Disney Magic mobile app on my watch to get in instead of the power band. Instead of the what do you call those things? Magic band, there we go. But we're too late for early entry. Flight of Passage is 105 minutes right now, so we're gonna rope drop that some other day. Unless the line gets down shorter today, but
good morning.
We're here. Oh, good morning.
It is my honor to welcome you to Disney's.
Thank you, man. We have royalty. They knew we crossed. We crossed, and they knew we were here. They're like, oh, Toro Vlogs in the house. Here we go. Huh? We crossed. Yeah, we crossed into Animal Kingdom, and they were like, welcome. I'm like, thank you for the royal greeting. Ooh, that's a big egg. What is that?
Never mind. It's a spider. Ellie, it's a spider egg.
It does look like a spider egg. Are those things gonna come through the leaf? They're gonna eat us? I think they're gonna eat us, Harrison. It's really super nice that they exchanged your spear, didn't they? Did they both light up now? Let me see. There we go. Nice. Only one of his sides lit up. We're on our way home, it stopped working, so now they both light up. Very cool. Very cool, buddy. Oh, and it's a different color. So I feel like
Keep walking. Walk faster.
you have manners, and then a little bit goes away when you go to Disney, and then a little bit more goes away when you're on your way to a lightning lane, because Harrison dropped his spear and the lady was like not happy that she had to slow down instead of running it over. So manners, Disney manners, Disney lightning lane manners, way down here on the bottom.
Bienvenidos a Kilimanjaro Safaris. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Cuide a sus niños. Gracias.
We are about to board the safari truck. All right, we are boarding the truck. I will be your female Steve Irwin host. I think that's his name. I don't really remember. This is such a dangerous journey. I don't know if we're going to make it, but we will see. All right, I'll talk to you later. Good day, mate. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a wild crocodile over there. Over yonder. Okay, you can't see it, but it is there. It was there. Hyenas. They are called the painted dog.
Well, no, it's up there. It's up there on the top. See it?
So there is a FEMA line at the very tippy top of that rock up there. Oh, she blends in.
Yeah. She's way up there. She's in the shade.
Like a rock right now.
There they are. Look, there he comes. Whoa!
Discovery Island. If you can hear my voice, you are either in the right place or close by. We are Winged Encounters. Feel free to come in and join us. We are a short show, but a really exciting one. You're not going to want to miss it. So come right up here into this area. Closer you are to the roots of the tree of life, the closer you're going to be to all of our feathered friends that are joining us today.
Cardinal up here. That is like, I want to be in the show. I don't know if you can see him right there. See him?
But none of us go home with a parrot because,
Oh, there he is.
we're pretty tough. Can anyone tell me what the number one complaint parrot owner would have? Go ahead, shout it out.
They talk too much.
Noise, yeah. Right? They're very, very loud.
Look at all of them. Oh my, they're everywhere. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Holy cow. Whoa. That one was really close. A whole bunch there. Oh my goodness.
I love to see these birds every time they come past.
Okay, guys. Oh, has it started?
yeah.
Okay. I don't know if you can tell, I've officially taken over the vlog. This is my vlog now. We are headed to Dino Land, USA, which they are destroying. And I'm a little salty about it, but whatever. We're headed to Dino Land, USA. Father Dearest and I will be riding the Dino Adventure, go into the past, bring back the dino.
You guys. I'm riding with you.
Okay, me, Harrison, and Father will be riding the go into the past, get the dinosaur, bring it back a ride. And after that, I don't know. I don't know what Marissa and Eliana are up to. What are you guys going to do?
We're gonna meet some characters, I think.
What are we gonna do, Ellie?
Go see the Lion King show.
Or meet characters, yeah.
Or meet characters. Okay, so they're seeing the Lion King show or meeting characters, period.
Isn't the monkeys over there?
Yes, they were actually out earlier swinging around, and Harrison started telling them that their butts were blue. They weren't. Their butts were not blue. He was just telling them that they were, so that's good.
While we were watching that Feathered Friends in Flight, Avery and Harrison went on Everest, and
The standby line was 15-minute wait. And then after
30.
it came to be 30. And then now we are walking near Everest. Then now the minute wait is 50 minutes again.
yeah, and apparently, according to Avery, she didn't remember or realize how intense it was.
Go. We're about to ride Everest. I have ridden this before. Harrison has ridden this before. Okay. Oh, why is it on Zoom? There we go.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay, hey, you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, are you super excited?
Yeah.
Scale of 1 to 10.
What?
Scale of 1 to 10, how excited? 10?
Yeah.
10, obviously. I don't know how Daddy does this. Hold on. There we go. Okay, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, he says he's excited.
We're going so fast. Whee! Oh, Avery, can you stop cameraing? Because we're about to go fast.
No, I can't stop cameraing. I hope I don't lose this mic, is what I hope. Do you think I'm gonna lose the mic?
No, because you're wearing on your wrist.
Very nice little waterfall scenery. And a slow drop. Oh, and another slow drop. Ready? Whee! Oh, he's bored. He's literally bored. Y'all, my hat hair is so bad. This is actually humiliating. Oh.
Someone said I love you, Mom. They
know.
said that they were going to
Whoa, I never noticed that actually. Pretty nice view out there. There's the tree of life.
Wait, I just found Mommy and Daddy up in the road.
Uh-oh. Look at all the hair ties.
Hair ties.
Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Uh-oh. chat. What are we finna do now? Chat. What was that?
The Yeti.
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy moly! Oh my god! I don't remember it being that intense. Hold on tight, Bob. Are you okay? Okay. Oh, here we go. We're gonna drop. I thought. Oh, here it is. Alright, that's enough. Cut the cameras, cut the cameras. Okay guys, did you enjoy it? Come here, Bob. Yeah, I do not remember it being that intense.
I didn't even remember it that much dropped. I only remember the drop forever, like the flash went on, then we went straight down. I don't remember
I was
that
not ready
drop.
for that picture. I was not mogging. I was not voguing. I think I was just had a blank stare. So we're gonna see if it was good.
It was half good, but I didn't remember it that much like my mom and me did. That was very good, but I didn't remember it that much.
Yeah, so anyways, we're gonna go meet up with Father, Dearest, and Marissa, and we'll see you guys later.
Soar is on.
But I don't
deck.
remember that much. I don't remember that much.
All right, so it's gonna be me, Avery, and Harrison.
Oh, me. I forgot where my microphone was.
All right, we're gonna do this, and then we have 12:40. We have lunch at Tusker House
That much of it.
with the characters,
But I do remember.
and then we have the Cali Rapids,
And I like to tell some
and then we're done.
stories
Ooh,
about it.
this is a 40-minute standby wait.
Yeah.
Not for us though.
We got 11 and 14 minutes.
Not for us.
You know what I think is
We
funny?
got the VIP lane. It's not that it's hot, it's sticky. It's just humid, there's no breeze, and just drenched in sweat, just dripping in sweat. Ugh. Nana! Nana! Eliana! Oh, they're playing tag. A whole slew of kids just running around here. Whereas us old people are sitting down here. And that includes Avery. Avery's working on her TikTok.
No, I'm not. I'm rubbing on my lips. Okay.
We are on our way to go eat, and Eliana's leading the way, and she keeps yelling at us because we keep getting distracted with merchandise.
She was very much like, stay on task. What she tell you? Stay on task.
Oh yeah, stay on task. So, no.
Mind you, she doesn't have a phone, and we go in the store.
All right, but we are going over here to Tusker House. My gosh, look at all these people. Man, it's busy over here in this area. All right. Just a little tip. If you're gonna do this, don't be sure to check in with your mobile app and you skip all this line. Hey, Mickey Mouse! Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Let's do a picture. Also, like, and the one we want is the favorite.
Man, this happened last time. We sat down for breakfast and the characters came right at the very beginning. So we had to wait for all of them to come through and then we could go eat. So we're just still missing Donald, and Minnie. But everybody else is in line over there. And this line is getting a little long. Should have gone up there to get some food, but oh well.
Hey over there. Hey.
Oh.
Guys, I'm literally so hungry. It's actually not even funny. Hold on. So basically, I'm so hungry, and Marissa said that they have chicken tikka masala over there, and I'm about to mess that up. Like, do not play. But yeah, so this food better be good, and I guess I'll let you know what they have up there when I get up there.
I got this cake thing and I'm gonna try it. So, first bite.
Can you tell them what it is?
I said cake thing. It is very good and I just ate a flower on it. It's gross, but I took a flower off. I think I'm gonna have another one of this.
Last lightning lane of Animal Kingdom is going to be on, which one, Nana? The Rapids. I got right there. That's where we're going on. Oh,
Don't worry, Harrison, we're getting there.
oh, all those rapids. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see. My guys had better days. Ooh, that does not look good. All right. What's wrong?
Ready, ready, ready?
Oh, I officially got tricked on that one. All right. No escaping this one. Everybody's gonna get it on this one. All right, I officially took the brunt of it on the drop.
Oh, I did not make this flat.
All right, that's it. No, all done.
You did. You did.
What'd you do?
I left my phone on the boat. There you go. Thank you. I got my phone. It literally went around the rapids without me. How dare it? So my phone literally went around the rapids without me. We were getting ready to leave and I couldn't find it, and Avery tracked it on her the location Life 360, which, hey, kudos to Life 360 now. And sure enough, asked a cast member and it was sitting there. All right, we just checked into our hotel at the Polynesian. Bungalows are there. Grand Floridian's on that side. The main hospitality house is over that way. You can see Space Mountain off in the distance, and the castle is right under that tree right there, if you can see that. And then we are right by the Ticket and Transportation Center. So good news is that we want to go to Epcot. Straight from here, we just take the walkway and just head over there. Actually, going to the Magic Kingdom, we could probably just walk over and take the ferry across too. But that horn is what we're gonna have to hear in the early mornings. So that should be fun. But nice view. We're gonna be able to see the fireworks from here too. That'd be pretty nice. Big change of plans. So we were gonna do Epcot, but we decided to do Magic instead. But just like yesterday, look at that. That is what is about to be upon us.
It's because, and we didn't go to Epcot because the thunder is right, like Epcot is right above the thunder.
Yeah. So Epcot is over in the distance. Yeah. So Epcot is over that way. So we changed our lightning lanes to Magic Kingdom. So we are now. Ooh, lightning was right there. So we are now going to either get on the monorail or get on the ferry and go across.
The ferry entrance is over there. I don't know how it's over there. Oh, maybe it's not open right.
I think you have to go through security first. Yeah. But either way, it's a quick walk from our hotel, like 2 minutes and we're here. But looks like we got to go through security. Yeah. All right. So. All right. So we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom. Look at that. The castle. Woo! All right, hey, I'm just enjoying the Main Street. I'm gonna try not to roll my ankle on the ground there. All right, first lightning lane is the Buzz Lightyear Pew Pews. We gotta make our way over because we only got 5 minutes. Man, I thought I was doing good. I had 583,000. Harrison, how much did you get, buddy? What'd you get? 101? Oh, look at Avery got 228. Nana, what'd you got? 1,300? Nice. Nice, 100,000. Way to go. I don't know. We'll see, Avery. All right, here we go. I'm in the car all by myself. Eliana and Marissa are up. Whoa, my goodness. Hey! Marissa! All right. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm all by myself. Avery and Harrison are back there. They'll be on here a little bit. Man, I feel my voice vibrating. Anyways, she's driving pretty good. Look at her. Oh, man, she's doing pretty good. Good job, Nana. Okay, here they are. Right there in the yellow ones. Say cheese. Here they go. There they go. All right, so we just sat down to eat at the Cosmic something or other. I don't know. But yeah, it just started pouring down rain. Look at it, look at this. I don't know if you can see out there. Holy cow. And we have a lightning lane for Haunted Mansion. Ready? Yeah, it is pouring down out there. Nana, it is really coming down out there, isn't it? Man, it is it is pouring so hard.
Oh my gosh.
It's coming down. Did you bring your poncho? No. Uh-oh, well. Yeah, it's man, it is pouring. What is that? What's on my head? What's on my head? What is that? Get off. All right, so we made it with minimal, oh, lightning lane, please, okay.
Look at the sky. Oh, why is that so aesthetic?
That's cool.
I feel like
All right. Not want to alarm anybody, but there's no horse. There's not a lot of rides that you can do when it's lightning laned and everything is shut down outside. So we're doing a lot of the inside rides. We have lightning lanes, but it literally is like 5-minute wait. There's nobody here. Look at practically a VIP boat. Say practically a VIP boat. All right, see, a walk on. Where's mommy? Where'd she go? Where is she? Where'd she go? She disappeared. Oh no, there she is. There she is.
It's over.
What? Did it stop already?
Yeah.
Seriously, went around like once or twice? That was quick. Well, that was quick. We went like one time around, and then they closed it for the fireworks. So that was fast. Yeah. All right, we're gonna make our way back to the hotel. Fireworks about to go off. Man, we haven't been this close in actually ever. Yeah, you're right, Marissa. Here it goes. Pirates. This is my favorite part of the show.